In this video, we will show you how to use the bulk action feature for sending review requests. Start by navigating to your Contacts and Smart List section. Select the contacts that you'd like to apply this bulk action for. You can check the box here at the top to select all records on the page, and then the hyperlink to select all records within your system, or you can just manually select a number of contacts. Say I'd like to use these 4 contact records and now send a review request. Once the number of contacts are selected that you desire, come up here to the Send Review Requests bulk action icon. It looks like a little star. Click the icon, and then in the pop-up window, click OK Proceed. Then you can choose either an SMS or email review request template, which you should have set up under your Settings and Reputation section. And then you can choose the delivery schedule. Would you like to send all at once at a scheduled time in the future, or add in drip mode, such as 1 per hour for the next 4 hours, 10 per hour over the next 10 days, etc. You can also add a description here for internal tracking purposes within your bulk actions. Once you've filled all this out, go ahead and click Send Review Request, and the request will be sent out as you've scheduled.